Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use labels on Google Keep, a simple yet powerful way to keep your notes organized and easily accessible whenever you need them. By the end of this video, you'll have a system that saves time and keeps your ideas, tasks, and reminders perfectly organized. To get started, open Google Chrome and head to the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Google Apps icon, the square made up of 9 smaller boxes. From the menu that appears, select Google Keep to open your notes. Now that we're in Google Keep, let's organize a note. Open the note you want to label and look for the 3 dots in the top right corner. This is the More option. Click on it, then select Add Label. Here's where it gets interesting. You can either pick from existing labels you've already created or make a brand new one. To create a new label, just type the name in the Enter Label Name field and hit Create. That label is now applied to your note, and it's ready to be used for others. Applying a label to multiple notes is just as easy. For each note, check the box next to the label you want. This keeps all related notes grouped together, making it super easy to find exactly what you need. But the magic of labels doesn't stop there. To see all notes under a specific label, just click on the label name, and Google Keep will instantly display everything tagged with it. You can also access your labels from the main menu at the top. Select your label, and all associated notes appear in one place. Using labels transforms Google Keep from a simple note-taking app into a powerful organizational tool. Whether it's ideas, to-do lists, or reminders, labels help you stay on top of everything without wasting time searching. And that's it. Simple, effective, and incredibly useful. Start adding labels today and watch how much smoother your Google Keep experience becomes. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.